sitting down? Really?
When I go to sit down.
When you go to sit down. See, mine is when I get to stand up. But not now, but whenever I was in the car for so long, or in the plane so long, I stood up, it was like, oh. And then it's plane. This may be my last round, I don't know. Here we'll go check on Gracie and then maybe go up and do that one more time up on Broadway or Boulevard or whatever it is, Broadway. I just don't want to overdo my legs.
Yeah. You got to do that the first day.
Yeah.
It may be the deal to do this.
Yeah. Yeah. They can, yeah. I think that's a good idea. Do this one.
We're getting off here, right?
Yep. Do this one and then see what Gracie's up, you know, what her thought process is. You wanted to stop or? I didn't know if we wanted to stop. Okay, keep going. She may have gone to the restroom. Oh, there she is. There she is. I've taught her to put them up. So, how'd you do?
4 times.
Perfect! You felt a lot more better? Yeah. I think we're gonna go in now too. Okay.
I did the first 2. I did them 2 in a row and then I took a break. And then I did 2 more. And is this the bunny still over the top?
Yeah. It's a green. But it's a good, get comfortable.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna fall off my skis standing still. They went on up. She followed him. I wouldn't have advised it, but she said, well, I said she stayed down so she could do stuff on her own and not worry about us. And she said, well, yeah, I think that, she said, well, y'all, I want to go up, but And then we were going and thought we came on down, and she said she was going with Sean. It was like, well, okay.
Doing our own thing, I guess.
Yeah. Are they on the other side? They're right there. Nope. Are those them? Yep. Okay, I gotta, yeah, I know, I was just about to say that. Huh?
I made a friend.
Did you?
Yeah. While I was sitting on the bench,
Uh-huh.
she was like, "How are you doing?" I was like, "Well, the rest of my family went up to here, so." She was like, "Me too."
The thing is that if you'll do that, even if you do it the whole time we're here,
Yeah.
and you get comfortable with it, then you will feel more comfortable overall.
Yeah.
We didn't do all the stuff that we do now the first time we ever came.
Yeah.
Oh, good, yeah. Go ahead, yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea. I was thinking I didn't want to walk back over with these things on. Take too much for me to give them back to you.